welcome to day 2 of the 30-day music theory challenge, where every day we are learning something new about music theory. Yesterday, or in day 1, we learned that the musical alphabet goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Today we're going to learn how to apply those letters to a piano keyboard. So first, let's draw one. Draw a big rectangle on your paper, and then draw vertical lines, making sure that they're all like a finger width apart. It can be wider than a finger. Just make sure that there's space on there for you to write. How many vertical lines do you need? As long as you have more than 8, it's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one's too thin. I have like 10 here. I'm going to make this one a little nicer. So, as long as you have more than 8, we're good. Now, on this first one, we're going to start not on A. We're actually going to start on C. And you'll see why. So, go ahead and give me a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and go ahead and fill those in. So your keyboard should look like this. And now let's add the black keys. And be careful because there's not a black key in between all of them. They have a pattern. So in between C and D, there is a black key. So I'm just gonna draw this. It doesn't have to be neat. Just as long as you have a black key. It looks somewhat like this. And then between D and E, there's also a black key. Between E and F, there's no black key, so leave that space. F and G, there is a black key. So between F for fox and G for golf, and then between G and A, there's a black key, and between A and B. Okay, so right now you should have 5 black keys, or you should be getting there. I'm going to repeat where they are. Between C and D, and between D and E, there's black keys. Then you're going to skip the space between E and F. And between F, G, there's a black key. G and A, there's a black key. And then A and B, there's a black key. Perfect. Between B and C, there's nothing. And then if you have more space on your keyboard, you should now repeat what you already have on your page. So you should already have a C and D on your page, so you can copy that if you have more keys. So the main takeaway from today's class is that you have a pattern here with the black keys. You have 2 black keys, then nothing, then 3. Then nothing, then 2. By nothing, I mean here, where there isn't a black key. So 2 black keys, nothing. 3 black keys, nothing. 2 black keys, nothing. And when you look at a piano keyboard, it should be easy to find a C. C is always to the left of 2 black keys. Always to the left of 2 black keys. And so yesterday we learned the notes in the musical alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But now if you can memorize the alphabet starting from C, it will make future lessons easier. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So for today, if I asked you to draw a piano keyboard, I would want you to start with the rectangle like we did in the beginning of this class, adding all the vertical lines, and then knowing where to put the black keys. And that would be between C, D, D, and E, nothing between E and F, and then 3 black keys between F and G, G and A and B. So today's homework is a little bit more detail oriented than yesterday's. Yesterday's was very easy. Today's we have a bigger challenge. So my recommendation to you is to kind of hide your notes and try to draw a keyboard and then check your work. And if you need to take a screenshot, here it is. And if you would like to download a PDF of this, I've created a PDF to follow along with. So you can download it by being a Patreon member or following the link down below. Alrighty, I'll see you for tomorrow's lesson. Ciao!